When it comes to boosting your home's curb appeal, windows are one of the most important elements of your property's exterior. Whether you are preparing to sell your home, improving its overall aesthetic, or just enhancing its look for your enjoyment, upgrading your windows can significantly impact your home's appearance. For homeowners in Orangeburg, where the climate, architecture, and neighborhood aesthetics play a role in how your home is viewed, the right windows can truly transform your property. In this article, we'll explore how windows in Orangeburg can enhance your home's curb appeal, from increasing its visual appeal to improving energy efficiency and overall functionality. First impressions matter. Windows as focal points. The first thing visitors or potential buyers notice about your home is its exterior, and windows often serve as a focal point. The design, style, and condition of your windows directly impact how your home is perceived. Old, worn-out windows can make a home look dated and neglected, even if the rest of the property is in great shape. In contrast, modern, stylish windows can give your home a fresh, updated appearance, instantly boosting its curb appeal. Windows with clean lines, sleek designs, and clear glass add a modern touch, while more traditional options like wooden frames or colonial-style grids can enhance the character of classic homes. Choosing the right style of window that complements your home's architecture will elevate its visual impact and give it a polished, well-maintained look. Window style and design can reflect your home's personality. Whether your home is modern, contemporary, or more traditional, choosing windows that match your home's style can enhance its charm and uniqueness. Bay windows, picture windows, casement windows, and double-hung windows each have their own distinctive style, contributing to the overall aesthetic of your home. Bay and bow windows create a bold, statement-making feature that adds depth and interest to your home's facade. They're perfect for homes with larger spaces or those that need extra light or a cozy nook. Picture windows are ideal for homes that enjoy scenic views. These large windows let in natural light and offer unobstructed views of the surrounding landscape, adding a sense of openness and elegance. Casement windows, with their side hinges, open outward, giving your home a fresh and airy feel. They also offer better ventilation, making them a great choice for kitchens or living rooms. Upgrading to a window style that fits your home's overall aesthetic will give it a unique, eye-catching look that draws attention and enhances its overall appeal. Energy-efficient windows enhance both curb appeal and functionality. In addition to visual appeal, energy-efficient windows are an important feature that adds value to your home. Double-glazed windows, low-E glass, and insulated frames help to regulate the temperature inside your home, keeping it cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. These windows prevent heat loss and air leaks, reducing the strain on your HVAC system and potentially lowering energy bills. The practical benefits of energy-efficient windows go hand in hand with curb appeal because they are environmentally friendly and can make your home more attractive to potential buyers. Homes with high-quality, energy-efficient windows are seen as more modern, well-maintained, and cost-effective. If you're selling your home, energy-efficient windows can be a major selling point that increases its market value. Boosting natural light to make your home shine. Natural light plays a huge role in making a home feel warm, welcoming, and spacious. The right windows can flood your rooms with sunlight, making even smaller spaces feel larger and more open. Larger windows, such as picture windows or floor-to-ceiling windows, bring in an abundance of natural light that makes the interior of your home brighter and more inviting. When it comes to curb appeal, windows that allow plenty of natural light into your home create an inviting, airy atmosphere both inside and out. A home that's flooded with natural light looks well kept, vibrant, and appealing, which can enhance your home's curb appeal. Upgrade your window frames for a fresh look. While the glass itself is essential for both functionality and aesthetics, the window frames can also make a significant difference in your home's appearance. Upgrading your window frames can completely change the look of your home, from classic wooden frames to modern vinyl or fiberglass options. Wooden frames offer a timeless, elegant look that complements traditional or rustic-style homes. They add character and warmth but may require more maintenance. Vinyl windows are low maintenance, energy efficient, and come in various colors and designs, making them ideal for modern homes or for homeowners looking for a more practical, cost-effective option. Fiberglass frames are durable, energy efficient, and highly resistant to the elements, making them a good choice for homeowners in areas like Orangeburg, where climate conditions can be tough on home exteriors. Upgrading to high-quality frames that match your home's aesthetic and provide excellent durability will not only improve curb appeal but also protect your home from wear and tear. Increased home value. The combination of visual appeal, energy efficiency, and durability can significantly increase your home's value. Whether you plan to stay in your home for years or sell it in the near future, investing in quality Orangeburg windows is a smart choice for enhancing your property's value. A home with new windows looks fresh, well-maintained, and attractive, which makes it more appealing to potential buyers. If you're preparing to sell, upgrading your windows can be an inexpensive way to make your home stand out in the competitive market. Clean, modern windows will leave a lasting impression, increasing the likelihood of a quick sale at a higher price. Conclusion. In Orangeburg, windows are an essential component of your home's curb appeal. By upgrading your windows, you not only enhance the aesthetic of your home but also improve its functionality, energy efficiency, and value. Whether you're looking for a fresh, modern look, better insulation, or a combination of both, choosing the right windows can dramatically transform your home's exterior. If you're considering an upgrade, consult with a local window expert who can help you choose the best windows for your home's style, needs, and budget. With the right windows, your home will be more attractive, comfortable, and valuable for years to come.